Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to block third-party cookies in Google Chrome. This is a great way to add an extra layer of privacy to your browsing, and it only takes a few seconds to set up. Let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. At the top right corner of your screen, look for the three vertical dots. This is the menu button. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. The Settings menu is where you'll find all of Chrome's tools for customizing and securing your browsing experience. Once you're in Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. Under this section, tap on Site Settings. Now, inside the Site Settings menu, scroll until you see an option labeled Third-Party Cookies. This is where you can control how Chrome handles cookies from other sites that track your activity across the web. Tap on third-party cookies and you'll be given a few options. To fully block them, select the option that says Block Third-Party Cookies. Once you choose this, Chrome will immediately apply the change and no longer allow those extra cookies from outside websites. Blocking third-party cookies means fewer advertisers and websites can follow you around online, which can help protect your personal data and give you a more private browsing experience. Just remember, some websites may rely on these cookies for certain features, so if something doesn't load properly, you can always revisit the setting and adjust it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully blocked third-party cookies in Google Chrome with just a handful of quick steps. Open Chrome, tap the three dots, go to Settings, find Site Settings, select third-party cookies, and choose Block Third-Party Cookies. Taking control of your privacy while browsing the web doesn't have to be complicated. With this change, you've added another layer of protection to your online experience. Thanks for watching.